So what do I know about One Piece? I know absolutely nothing. I do know that Seiko has made a handful of limited edition Seiko 5s that are all pretty dang cool, I have to admit. Um, for instance, this one. This is the one we're going to take a look at today. I managed to get myself a limited edition case and dial. Not the exact hands, and it's a white day-date wheel, but it is what it is. I'm not trying to be exact. I had the parts that were pretty close. Other than that, limited to 1,000 pieces. So yeah, if you guys know anything about One Piece, there's some awesome, awesome dials and awesome watches that Seiko made, put out limited editions. You need to check them out for sure. I did one not too long ago. The Chun Li. That's another one. That was another run of their limited edition. I know Seiko has so many limited editions. It's ridiculous. It's not nothing about them are limited by no means. But anyhow, come along. Today, this is what we're making. Cheers.
Welcome back, everybody. Nice to see you. You're looking fabulous. Check this out. I was lucky enough to get my hands on another limited edition uh, dial and case. This is I knew I was going to forget it. Sabo, I believe. Yeah, that's it. The Sabo. You can see it on the case back there, but look at that color, eh? Black PVD case, blue PVD, uh, bezel. That bezel insert is insane. On the case back, there you go. Seiko Sabo. That's numbered there. 546 out of 1,000. It was limited to 1,000, this one. And this is actually the whole case, or the whole watch. I got stock strap, stock case. So, yeah, it's going to be a very quick, easy build, really. It's just basically hands. I mean, they already got a stem cut in there for me and everything. So, this is pretty cool. I figured I'd just bring you all along, as I do. Let's take a look at this dial. Oh, I didn't realize. I thought that was all painted on there, but it's not. Let's see if I can get a good angle for you guys. That's like, especially that one at the bottom. That's a, I don't know, that's and I don't know how to, yeah. It's one of those there. And even the flames, the fireballs are, yeah, you can see that, can't you? I don't know if they're stickers. No, part of it's painted, and if that's painted, that's a really heavy application. But yeah, awesome looking dial. I wanted to make this one. And I saw it and I wanted to make it. So the only thing we're not 100% with is the hands. I came close. But that's a 430, so 3.8, I guess I should say, not 430. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's sharp. Whew. I like that. Everything wunderbar. Let's get it flipped over and get these hands on. Like I say, this is going to be a relatively quick build. There. Okay. Hands. All right, well, it's kind of disappointing, but there's actually a handful of just the tiniest little blemishes on that dial. I kept thinking I could brush them off and that it was dust, but much as I was hoping, it's not. So Unfortunate, but it is what it is. Oh, come on. I pushed that in there too far. Whoops. There we go. Yeah, and this high gloss dial is just a dust magnet. So I'm going to do that for just a sec while we open this and make sure it's clean inside as well. I hope it is. I think it is. Should be. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. There's one spot I wonder about. I'll take a quick look, see if that's on the inside or the outside. I think what I see is on the outside. Yep. Yep. Cool. Cool beans. Alright, well, let's just get this encased then. Now it's just a push-pull crown. It's not a screw-down crown, but hey, it is what it is. Last blast. There we go. And flipped over. Oh, you know what? I just realized. I wonder. Never mind. Ha! Never mind. I wondered actually if it was going to take one of the stock movement rings, because these are the aftermarket ones, the gray ones. The stock ones are actually black, so it made me wonder there for a moment. But we all good. We all good. Just gonna put that finger tight for the moment, just to make sure I don't see anything under the crystal before it's all done. That's kind of crazy looking, eh? What the hell? All right, let's get this strap on here really quick. I'm just gonna put the stock strap that comes with it. Pretty sure this is the original strap too. It should be. It was sold to me as such. Oh, Seiko, and it is the right color, so I know that much at least. There we go. Close your eyes and hold your tongue the right way. Come here. You. And it falls out the other side. What in the hell? Oh my gosh. It's just, there we go. It was slipping out of my hand the other way, which was not helping the situation. Ah. Done and done. Well, tell me what you think of that one, you guys. I mean, that one's kind of Seiko special, Seiko Sabo crazy. Oh, why can't I grab it? My fingers, there we go. Just couldn't get it out of there. Sweet. I think that's actually pretty nice, isn't it? Cool beans, you guys. Well, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you all, as always. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. Join the club if you want. Membership. It always helps, keeps us doing crazy things like this. All right, I'm done. There's a quick and easy one. Thanks for stopping by. Love y'all. Cheers, everybody. See you next time.